After years of research, it turns out that the way dogs and cats drink is very different. Dogs usually dip their tongues into the water and then quickly pull it back so the water enters their mouth. This movement often causes water to splash around. Meanwhile, cats have a more subtle method. With the soft tip of their tongue, a cat touches the water surface quickly and accurately, then closes its mouth just in time. The movement looks neat and clean. Scientists using high-speed cameras found that cats can lap water at an extraordinary frequency, which is about 4 times per second. Yeah.